guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how to install and configure the new and improved Rocket Jump regen script. So what you want to do first is you want to go to this page. Now, because here it doesn't say the directory of this actual post, I'm not going to be able to send you the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to backtrack where I was before to show you how to do it. So first you're going to be somewhere that looks like this, where there's just a bunch of videos, right? So now you want to go to forums, you want to go to scripts, wait for it to load. Oh, there it is. And you want to click on regen script started by Jamin. Now, Jamin is a really good scripter. Thanks to him for making this new regen script. The old one was kind of buggy, and it didn't work very well, especially with TV mode, Source TV enabled for demos and stuff. So now, what you want to do is you want to copy this, and you want to find your custom folder. And my custom stuff. There's a lot of videos on this. You could just like type in on YouTube like how to install skins, and it'll go through the same process basically. So this is going to be scripts. So in your my custom stuff, like normally you would be, you're gonna find this folder called CFG, or make one. It doesn't matter. And see, I've already made this. I'm gonna delete that. So what you want to do is you want to create a document with text edit called autoexec.cfg. But since I've already done this, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so open that. Now, you don't have to have this whole thing. All you have to do is you gotta paste. You don't even have to have all this. You just have to paste this script in, and then by that P right there is going to be the key that activates the script. Now, I'm going to set it to P because originally it was on X, and my X is set to the voice menu bind, so I'm not going to change that. So I'm going to set it to P because P isn't bound to anything in my game anyways. So that's basically it. You don't need to know how the script works or anything. It just kind of does. To be honest, I don't really understand it, but I kind of do. Anyway, you can ask who's it, Jamie to explain it for you. Anyway, next, where is it? You want to save it. Save it right there, like that. Now, and it'll work. It'll work fine. Now, what I like to do is I like to make it really organized. Make my scripts all organized. If like I want to have like folders with specific scripts and stuff. So, and I don't like everything in my autoexec.cfg because that's going to be clogged. And if you don't know autoexec, what autoexec.cfg does is it basically executes itself. Executes itself when you start the game. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm just making a new document, and I'm pasting the script in, and I'm naming it regen.cfg. It's important to put the CFG. Wait, I forgot a step. Now, you saw me do something with the format here, right? Instead of doing this, I made it this because this is what Valve reads as a script. It cannot read this kind of text. So you want to go to Format, Make Plain Text. That's very important, or else your script just won't work. So when you save, you want to name it regen.cfg. Now this is optional. You could just put the script in the autoexec.cfg and you would be done. But since I like to make it organized, I like to put it in a separate CFG. So regen.cfg, right? Okay, where? It should be in your CFG folder. If you can't access that through the little menu here, you can find it through the normal directory finder, and you can just click save, and then click use CFG so that it uses it. Alright, so now you're done. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically how you install and configure it. Now, I'm just gonna get into the game right now. I'm sorry, my Steam isn't open. Alright, so now that we've launched Steam and everything's up and running, you can just press play and it'll open. Now I'm gonna cut to where I am in the game. Alright, now that we're in the game, press your tilde key for the command console. There's a lot of videos on this too. Just type in how to open up console TF2 and you'll find out. Alright, so in the here, it says console initialized, and this stuff you don't need to know. So now what I need to do is I need to go into a game, go into an offline game to Rocket Jump, because that's what the script is for. Just a second. It'll join soon. Alright, almost done. Alright, it's done. Now we're in CP process, right? So now remember how in the script I bound the script, the bind command was bound to P, right? It was P. So if I'm pressing P right now, and it's working, yeah. But that's besides the point. That's because I've already configured it to make it work. Originally, if you press P, nothing would happen, and I'll tell you why. If you put the little script in autoexec.cfg, this won't happen. But if you're like me and you want to keep organized and you put it in regen.cfg, then this will probably happen. When you press P, nothing will happen, and that is because of two reasons. One, your script isn't executed yet, which means you have to either execute it in the game when you're in game, or type in the autoexec.cfg, type exec regen or whatever you named your script. That really doesn't matter. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you solve that problem. And then if it still doesn't work, you can type bind. You can type in console in game. You can type bind P or whatever key you want it to, and bind it to regen. See? And if I press P, it still works. Now, so say I've been rocket jumping a lot and I got tired and I want to eat something or something like that, which doesn't require the computer, which doesn't require the script. All you have to do is set up a command or bind. You don't even have to bind it. You just have to type in a command that Jamie also included in the script. All you have to do is bind or just type in the command unregen. Unregen. Like that. And my health is back to normal. But the weird thing about it is that whenever you type unregen, it leaps you into the air. I don't know if it's like that for you guys, but it's like that for me. And see, the game just got back to normal. Now I'm back to losing health, and I have to gain health using these health packs. So, but if I press P again, it goes right back up. Yeah, just it's that simple. You can bind something to unregen bind unregen to a key so that whenever you press it, turns right off. I didn't even have to do anything. Just P in my other bind, P in my other bind. We're just like, now look at this. I'm just pressing P in my other bind and I'm flying. But mind you, this is for offline jumping only, so this won't work. This won't work in like games, obviously, because it just won't let you have that much health. See, my health is so big that the screen can't even show it. So yeah, you can do your nitty-gritty jumps and like that, jumps and stuff. The only thing is, it causes some like stutter or lag when you walk for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all it takes. Now, what I want to show you next is that Jamie actually made a different version of the script where it's actually toggle. Like, well, if you press P once, it'll turn on, and if you press P twice, a second time, it'll turn off. But he decided to use this one. He initially wanted to use this one, but he decided to use this one for like, I don't know, for whatever reason. And you can copy this one too. It has the same effect, except you don't have to bind as many things. So yeah, that was basically my video on how to install and configure the script. Now, just the last thought. If you have anything to say, anything I could do better in my next videos, because there's a lot of room for improvement, just write it down in the comments. I can do like demonstration videos, stuff like that, just gameplay with my friends. Yeah, this channel has a lot of room for improvement, so feel free to comment anything you want in the comment box. That'd be great. And leave a like if you want to support this channel. This channel is non-profit, so if you leave a like, absolutely nothing will happen. All that'll happen is that you made me happy. Alright, that's it. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, bye.